Akiaria ari na ikuru Minista Magoha augite ati mutaratara mweru wa githomo ni wambiririe cukuru-ini ciothe na ati aria makoretwo makiregana na mubango ucio ni mahinda marate.
Ignore the prophets of doom who are going to come and tell you that this system has failed. They are real prophets of doom. The child may be wearing a torn shirt or a torn sweater like I used to wear when I was at that age. But the child has a book, the child has an IT item, and they are engaging the teacher in the CBC.
Magoha oho augite ni hari bata wa guthomithia ciana njira itiganite cia gutabania mawira kuona ciana nyingi cina githomo kia mabuku no itio njira iria ciageririe cia kurutithia kothi iria mathomeire wira.
We are still doing what we used to do 40 years ago, but we are ending up producing poorly skilled or unskilled graduates. It is not about certification anymore. We have to skill and reskill our children.
Nake mwandiki mukaru wa thukuru cia kothi cia moko Kevin Desai ni aruguritie mutaratara kaunti-ini ya Embu kuria augire mutaratara wa githomo ni ugukorwo uri kiguni kuri mbeu njithi amu ni makuhota guthoma maundu maria makumateithia kwiyandika muturire-ini. Oho murugamiriri wa kamiti ya kwandika arimu kaunti-ini iyo augite ni hari bata wa kuongerera arimu amwe aria meho matiraigana.
Ule upungufu ambao tunao katika eneo hili la mashariki katika shule za msingi, za upili na katika vyuo vya walimu bado ni changamoto katika utekelezaji wa mafunzo katika vyuo hivyo.
Akiruguria kampeni ici kaunti-ini ya Mombatha, murugamiriri munene wa kamiti ya wandikani wa arutani bururi-ini Nancy Macharia augite mihango ya kubundithia arimu ciigie mutaratara mweru wa githomo ni iratabanio niguo makorwo magikinyiria arutwo githomo na njira iria yagiriire.
I am confirming that CBC training will continue until teachers are fully equipped with the requisite competences, and that even that we shall continue training them as part of the support program they need going forward.
Kuringana na Magoha, Ministry ya githomo ni ikoretwo igithurima uheani wa mabuku miene tiganite ya bururi na gukinyiria riu mabuku marutwo a kirathi gia gatatu ni maheanetwo cukuru-ini nyingi. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, Jitawa Kids, Muthoni.